Hey, what's going on, everyone? If you're new to the channel, my name is D, and I represent New Touch Auto, where we customize vehicles to make them look a whole lot better than what they already do. In this case right here, that Dodge Challenger had probably one of the loudest colors out there. The previous color is a big change from what it looks like right now. You want to know exactly what color that is and what color the previous color was? Stay tuned. We got the Dodge Challenger. It's currently yellow, as you see. But we got the wheels that we're gonna be doing also. Gonna be doing those in the middle. They're gonna be the same color as the car. Set of 4, yellow Dodge Challenger. And then we got the color that we're gonna go with. We're gonna be doing the traffic red. Traffic red, you gotta apply the base primer. That's that gray. Going with the light gray primer. Then we're gonna finish it off with the traffic red. Now I said to be, we're gonna have a satin finish. So we got to mix it. We're gonna go ahead and mix our colors, get them started, and go ahead and get the spraying. Let's see what this Raail product do. All right, so sad to say, that is the end of the video. But we got to do a walk around to let you know exactly what we did to this vehicle. Let's go. So we got the Dodge Challenger here. We wanted to keep it pretty basic, solid colors. Previous color was yellow, probably one of the loudest colors. Changed it up to red. Traffic red from Raail. We go all the way around. We did the side marker lights, total of 6. We tinted those with dark tint, made them look a whole lot better. They're translucent, so the reflection will come through. And we swing it around, got that traffic red satin finish all the way around. Everything is solid. Kept the chrome on the gas cover, customer requested that. Backside, side markers tinted, and on the back, you got the tints on the back as well. Then we did the wheels. Got the wheels painted too, to match. The inside we did with the wrap, because the outside, once you get that tire change, it will unravel. The matchup is there. So now that we got everything coordinating with the wheels and the body, can't go wrong. In this case right here, we use the Raail products. Dr. Pigman helped us out on this order. We thank you. And in this case right here, liquid spray wrap. Any of my automotive painters out there will understand this. Before you paint a car, you want to pray before you spray. If you don't understand that, when you're painting, you want everything to pretty much be flawless so you don't have to go back to make any adjustments. That's why I get the phrase, pray before you spray. If you're interested in one of these t-shirts, check out our website at newtouchauto.com. We got many to choose from, whether it's a vinyl wrap phrase, automotive painter phrase, or even my customers, my car lovers. We got it for you. This is the end, and I thank you, all my subscribers. Thank you. I appreciate the help, the support, the comments. I appreciate it all. Those who haven't subscribed though, please feel free to do so and hit that subscribe button down there. Thank y'all for checking out this video. I'll catch y'all on the next one.